Hello, friends! Welcome to Basic 1000 English Words. I'm so happy you're here with me today. In this episode, we'll learn 20 easy words you can use every single day in real life. These words will help you talk about your life, your family, and the world around you perfectly. So grab a notebook, relax, and let's learn together. Are you ready? Let's start this amazing journey. Water is what you drink when you feel thirsty every day. You need water to stay healthy and strong. Water. Say it with me. Water. Food gives you energy to work and play happily. Rice, bread, meat, and vegetables are all different food. Food. Repeat after me. Food. Home is the place where you live with your family. It keeps you safe, warm, and comfortable daily. Home. Let's say it together. Work is your job where you earn money every day. Teachers, doctors, and drivers all do different work. Work. Practice with me. Work. Time helps us know when things happen each day. Morning, afternoon, evening, and night are different time. Time. Say it clearly. Time. Money is what you use to buy things you need. You need money for food, clothes, and other things. Money. Repeat slowly. Money. Family includes your parents, children, brothers, and sisters together. Family members love and help each other always. Family. Say with me. Family. Friend is someone you like, trust, and enjoy spending time with. Good friends make you laugh and happy. Friend. Practice now. Friend. House is a building where people live together comfortably. Houses have kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, and living room. House. Let's repeat. House. Day starts when the sun comes up in the morning. One day has 24 hours from morning until night. Day. Say it with me. Day. Night begins when the sun goes down completely. People usually sleep at night to rest their tired bodies. Night. Repeat after me. Night. Morning is the early part of the day. People wake up, eat breakfast, and start work in the morning. Morning. Practice together. Morning. Eat means putting food in your mouth and swallowing it. People eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner every day. Eat. Say it clearly. Eat. Drink means putting liquid in your mouth and swallowing it. People drink water, tea, coffee, and juice daily. Drink. Let's practice. Drink. Sleep means closing your eyes and resting your body completely. You sleep in bed at night to feel fresh. Sleep. Repeat with me. Sleep. Walk means moving your legs to go from place to place. Walking is good exercise that keeps you healthy. Walk. Say it together. Walk. Talk means using your voice to say words to others. You talk with family, friends, and co-workers daily. Talk. Practice now. Talk. Listen means paying attention to sounds and words around you. You listen to music, people, and nature sounds. Listen. Repeat after me. Listen. Look means using your eyes to see things around you. You look at people, beautiful flowers, and interesting things. Look. Say with me, look. Help means giving support or doing something good for others. You can help friends, family, and people around. Help. Let's practice. Help. Wonderful job today. You learned 20 important words that you use in daily life every single day worldwide. Practice saying these words out loud. Use them in conversations with family and friends starting right now today. Which word was your favorite today? Tell me in the comments below. I love hearing from you all. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more lessons, and share with friends who want to learn. Next episode, we learn 20 more useful English words. Keep practicing, and I'll see you very soon, friends.